Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you off face lock setting guys. This face lock setting guys you want to off, so you can off. In this video guys I will tell you guys how to off face lock. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting to off face lock. We will on our phone setting. Then guys click on face and password setting. Guys click on face, draw your pattern friends, and guys pane recall guys this delete option guys, click here and delete face lock. So you can see there is no any face lock in my phone. You can see friends, I will have to enter my password. So I hope friends you have understood how to off face lock setting in realme phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching the video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.